Actually, there's a problem because European banks are hurt, potentially hurt by holding sovereign bonds. But then the EU had this great idea to impose very strict capital, debt to capital, asset to capital ratios on European banks. Great. This is the aftermath of 2008, 2009. So now the banks have the European banks, continental European, remember, I'm not talking about UK, continental European banks, basically have an unbelievable task. Their ratio is just getting really bad. So they have to improve the asset divided by equity ratio. They cannot get new equity, or very difficult. So they sell assets. So they don't lend money anymore. So, okay, big corporations go to the bond market. Small corporations don't know what to do. This is really the one aspect of the crisis, of the euro crisis, that is a bit forgotten. I think there are many opportunities. After the implosion, we were going to get the drachma as a euro, as an emerging currency, and the peseta. Financial market. I've been married with my wife forever. She was 19 when we got married. But I heard that a divorce is always messy, and it will be very messy. But the same question as divorcing or staying together. Is it better to divorce, or is it better to have the kids suffer from a very unhappy marriage? I think Prozac is okay, but not forever. Remember, Greece still has a 20% bond yield. I would hope that the implosion would teach lessons to politicians, but politicians change all the time. They get elected, so I don't think they will learn more. So we will have a panel discussion, and I know Walter will say more. If you want to learn more about all these real things, there's a wonderful book, textbook. So this is the Chinese version. I was happy with the CFA Institute because this is the 6th edition. My book was published in the early 80s, and the CFA picked it up for its curriculum. So that was a great idea. I must say today, this euro crisis is not in the book. It's an exciting time if you're not European. I think Jimmy summarized the situation. The Europeans are very optimistic. I'm amazed. I was there. The Americans are very pessimistic. The Asians don't understand very much. They never understood the euro anyway, and they never understood the French anyway. So people have different reactions. I'm relying on real aspects, on fundamentals. I think going on with these fundamentals is just so difficult, so painful, so impossible that I hope there will be an implosion. The sooner the better. Thank you very much.